Okay. Before I lose all my light, this is what I just did. We just got back from work. About to lose all the light. I just cut this right here. I'll post a picture on Facebook, but I didn't really get to cut all that right. But I'm gonna raise it about 2 inches. Because we need to get out the spare tire. That's the whole fight with the family car right now. Whew. Guess every day I'm gonna do something of progress. Let me see. I don't know if you could see it. I'm losing my light real quick. But all this. Okay. Alright, it's about 6:30. It's Friday. This is what the whole fight is about. We have no space to pull out that spare tire if we gotta get to it. So I'm gonna cut this 2x4, stand it up in there so we can raise the box. So it'll touch almost up here, or even if it touches, whatever, but just enough so we can pull that spare tire out. Alright, we got the box sitting on 2x4s. Still clears up here. It won't affect the subwoofer's performance. The box is still way back behind it because of the port. It blocks everything. Hold on, let me see, it's too dark. Alright, so it doesn't affect the performance of the subwoofers at all. The box is sitting on 2x4s. We can reach the spare tire easily. De lo más bajito que puedas. Y si no, déjale un pedazo grande y lo doblas para abajo. It's almost 7 o'clock. Removing the spare tire brace. We gotta remove it because it's gonna be in the way. You gotta do what you gotta do. Why? Because we can't fit the speakers. Vas muy chueco, vas chueco.
Ahorita lo voy a cortar. No le dice que no vaya chueco, ahorita lo voy a...
Crooked, Rocco, crooked. See? Eat your Wheaties. So you can cut metal. Alright, so my scissors are a bit dull. Hee. Don't need that. Totally ready, puts in work. Here's a base head. Boink. Gonna make a little basket. Okay, this is what we got so far. Made a base for the box. It's gonna sit on this, and that's gonna give me the clearance to get to my spare tire. Okay. Cousin Jerry helping me out. Pre-drilled some holes in there. Give the trunk a little touch up. Make it look pretty again.
I'm leaving. I feel too short.
How long did it take?
So realize that she's short?
Smells good though, right? You've been doing it since during the week. I noticed that.
Yeah. Everything's painted black. Can't see in the dark. It is not green. It ain't green, right, hey? I painted this thing black. We're out here in the dark, messing with the poor car.